Hey Fit Fam, today we're gonna build in the traps.
I refuse to be outworked.
Alright, nice new exercise for y'all using the pulleys, okay? Think quick and simple. Hold both sides of the handles. Roll the shoulders back. Try to bring your traps to your heads. And up. Traps to your ears. That's the goal. Head, all the way down. Bring to your ears. Squeeze each time. You're gonna move nice and slow. And soon you'll see your traps develop so much. Because the dumbbells is rubbing against your body. With the pulleys, you can't rub against your body like this. Bicep right now is pretty tension. You can't rest with this. Tension the whole way. And you can get it up. That's it, guys. If you want a cool, sweat-absorbing shirt, go to thefitcorner.com. Link will be below. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it? Hey Fit Fam, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe right here. If you want a video just like this, please click right here. And if you want to see my newest video, please click here. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?